Hello and welcome to the Curiosity Show.
And that's enough. No more from him. At last I've got control. All those years you probably never realised he's nothing but a puppet. Actually, a few things for you today. One of them is an interesting story about this. The other is how we put a television presenter together. Well, we said we'd show you how poor old Dean was put together. In fact, it's not done by us, it's done by a very clever person called Alan Thompson, who builds puppets out of simple ingredients. And Dean isn't the only one to be put together. Alan uses foam and contact cement and bits of carpet, and of course a lot of talent.
Curiosity.